Stock. Stock. I bought some tech stocks. I bought some tech stocks. Bond. Bond. Bonds are considered safer than stocks. Bonds are considered safer than stocks. Mutual fund. Mutual fund. I invested in a mutual fund. I invested in a mutual fund. ETF, exchange traded fund. ETF, exchange traded fund. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges. Dividend. Dividend. This stock pays a high dividend. This stock pays a high dividend. Portfolio. Portfolio. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Asset. Asset. Real estate is a valuable asset. Real estate is a valuable asset. Equity. Equity. He has a significant equity stake in the company. He has a significant equity stake in the company. Capital. Capital. We need to raise more capital for the project. We need to raise more capital for the project. Investment. Investment. Wise investment can lead to financial security. Wise investment can lead to financial security. Return. Return. What is the expected return on this investment? What is the expected return on this investment? Risk. Risk. Higher returns usually come with higher risks. Higher returns usually come with higher risks. Yield. Yield. This bond has a 5% yield. This bond has a 5% yield. Share. Share. He bought 100 shares of the company. He bought 100 shares of the company. Index. Index. The S&P 500 is a major stock market index. The S&P 500 is a major stock market index. Broker. Broker. I need to find a reliable broker. I need to find a reliable broker. Trading. Trading. Online trading has become very popular. Online trading has become very popular. IPO, initial public offering. IPO, initial public offering. The company's IPO was very successful. The company's IPO was very successful. Bull market. Bull market. Investors are optimistic during a bull market. Investors are optimistic during a bull market. Bear market. Bear market. A bear market can be challenging for investors. A bear market can be challenging for investors. Volatility. Volatility. High volatility can mean high risk. High volatility can mean high risk. Blue chip. Blue chip. Blue chip stocks are generally stable investments. Blue chip stocks are generally stable investments. Penny stock. Penny stock. Penny stocks are often very risky. Penny stocks are often very risky. Hedge fund. Hedge fund. Hedge funds use various strategies to maximize returns. Hedge funds use various strategies to maximize returns. Liquidity. Liquidity. Cash is the most liquid asset. Cash is the most liquid asset. Principal. Principal. It's important to protect your principal. It's important to protect your principal. Interest rate. Interest rate. The interest rate on savings accounts is low. The interest rate on savings accounts is low. Diversification. Diversification. Diversification can reduce investment risk. Diversification can reduce investment risk. Fund manager. Fund manager. The fund manager has a great track record. The fund manager has a great track record. Growth stock. Growth stock. Growth stocks have high potential for appreciation. Growth stocks have high potential for appreciation. Income stock. Income stock. Income stocks pay regular dividends. Income stocks pay regular dividends. Stock split. Stock split. The company announced a 2-for-1 stock split. The company announced a 2-for-1 stock split. Earnings. Earnings. The company's earnings exceeded expectations. The company's earnings exceeded expectations. Loss. Loss. The investment resulted in a loss. The investment resulted in a loss. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of the company's financial health. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of the company's financial health. Annual report. Annual report. The annual report is available to all shareholders. The annual report is available to all shareholders. Depreciation. Depreciation. Depreciation affects the value of assets over time. Depreciation affects the value of assets over time. Capital gain. Capital gain. Selling the stock resulted in a capital gain. Selling the stock resulted in a capital gain. Capital loss. Capital loss. The investment resulted in a capital loss. The investment resulted in a capital loss. Roth IRA. Roth IRA. Contributions to a Roth IRA are not tax deductible. Contributions to a Roth IRA are not tax deductible. Estate planning. Estate planning. Estate planning is important for managing your assets. Estate planning is important for managing your assets. Financial advisor. Financial advisor. I consulted a financial advisor for investment advice. I consulted a financial advisor for investment advice. Inflation. Inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money. Deflation. Deflation. Deflation can lead to lower consumer spending. Deflation can lead to lower consumer spending. Speculation. Speculation. Speculation can lead to high profits or losses. Speculation can lead to high profits or losses. Equity fund. Equity fund. An equity fund invests in stocks. An equity fund invests in stocks. Fixed income. Fixed income. Fixed income investments include bonds. Fixed income investments include bonds. Futures. Futures. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell at a future date. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell at a future date. Option. Option. An option gives the right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. An option gives the right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Yield curve. Yield curve. The yield curve is an important indicator of economic conditions. The yield curve is an important indicator of economic conditions. If you like our channel, please click the bell to follow us.